Hey, so if you're like me and you want to make videos or YouTube videos in 2020 and you can't quite figure out how to do it, you don't know the right approach or what you're going to make them about, well, byte, this new app that came out that is the remake or kind of second try of Vine and the competitor of TikTok.
Follow for follow.
I make music, check it out.
I post memes into that. Another video posted. Follow for follow.
I make music, check it out.
Yeah, it is the one that came out, I think, in January. I say I think, and I got it the first night it came out. Anyway, it doesn't really make sense right now why 6 seconds versus, well, a few minutes could dictate how good you're gonna do on each platform. But yeah, 6-second stories can definitely help you make, well, multi-minute stories as well, and this is how. So being that filmmaking is a huge part of this channel, I thought I'd talk a little bit about storytelling and how to incorporate that into your videos. Because, well, I have made tons, well not tons, but I've made a few good bytes, and I've made a ton of YouTube videos throughout the past few years. You can see in my byte app that I have made, well, multiple different kinds of different bytes. They're all kind of the same niche, but they all have different topics that make them diverse. The part that you're looking for that makes all of these videos coherent or that makes them work on each platform is the story, a beginning, middle, and end. This is why making videos on byte can also help you with YouTube, because as you can see, well, this is the first video that I purposely tried this with, but this byte that I made about taking a self-portrait in quarantine.
Plastic gloves,
Extra shirt and camera setup. A self-portrait in quarantine.
plastic gloves,
Extra shirt and camera. I made it so that it works on byte app. I filmed it that way, I did the storyline that way, and I did the delivery that way. But I also did the same exact thing for the YouTube video that I made for it. It's just that one is 6 seconds long and one is like 3 or 4 minutes long. They both have beginning or starting points that shows the initial establishment of what's going on. They both have the middle or like the midst of what's happening that sets everything up. And they both have a fulfilling end that shows me taking the picture of myself with the pose and the result of it. That 3-part story is what will help you succeed whether you make a video on byte, whether you make it for Facebook or for YouTube or for any platform. The thing you need to practice then is the timing of the scenes and getting your point across within each scene or camera movement. For example, it wouldn't really make sense if I used this driving scene when I'm in the car. Hey, how's it going? So I am on the highway with that byte because it would take up the entire thing. You would get nothing of the pictures or any of the storytelling. It's just me driving a car, no other context. But you need that context for this YouTube video because it's much longer and I need to establish where I'm going. So instead of using all of these shots that are needed for a YouTube video, I just condense it and just take what I need for the different storytelling structures in the different platforms that they're used to. I want to know from you guys, have you ever had a Vine account? I did, with a couple of hundred followers, and then I stopped. I don't remember why, but for some reason. Yeah, now I have this byte account. Do you have TikTok? What do you use? If you use both, that's cool. Yeah, here are some of mine. I think that I've done a few good different amounts. I'm gonna make some here soon. I've just been doing a lot of brand work behind the scenes that you guys will see in the coming months probably. Yeah, I suggest have fun with it. Think about different stories that you can do, like different deliveries, a reward that you're giving to the audience. Like if you're making a story about a monster, show the monster.
What the f? Let's play a game. Hey, wake up. Who's there? What the f?
I suggest that for every story you make on byte, that you make one YouTube video for that story. That way you're not just making 30 stories on byte and not 30 YouTube videos. Hope you guys are doing well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.